Hello, in the middle of October, and today is October 14. This Elaeagnus pungens, very aromatic plant, start to flower. So I'm sitting in a valley southwest of Kyoto today, and I see these plants all around me along the road. It's very normal component of the Japanese forest, and also grow on the sea coast of the Japan Sea and many other places. So I think it's a good time to speak about flowers of Elaeagnus. So Russian olive, as they call it, and this is very interesting family, which very long time was kind of in search of affinities. So flowers are a bit unusual. You can go deeper and look on them with more magnification, and then you will see that flowers are surrounded with kind of whitish, brownish perianths. We can call it perianths from the start. That perianths forms a tube, and from within tube there are 4 stamens, which in that genus are located in corners between lobes of these perianths. Perianths are all parts of Elaeagnus family, parts covered with these famous shield scales. So if you go inside the perianths, you will see that stamens are attached to that tube on the top, whereas the style of the pistil goes all the way down to the basement and will be very close to perianths in the basement of the flower. When flower is pollinated and start to ripen, produce fruits, this ovary will be completely submerged into the basement of perianths. So basement of perianths start to be fleshy, and ovary develop in kind of nut-like fruits. But altogether, they will give an impression of fleshy fruit. Very interesting structure. So quite similar to what we see in apples, for example, whereas in apple the central part is kind of dry, whereas this hypansium part of apple fruit is fleshy, so it's kind of double appearance. Its flower base will give a fleshy part in apple, and the true ovary will give this dry central part. A very similar thing is in Elaeagnus, in Russian olive, and actually the whole family of them, Elaeagnaceae. Interesting combination, which is a bit unusual and suggests relationships with apples, with Rosaceae family. So many different ideas and hypotheses about Elaeagnaceae affinities existed. One of them is based on the idea that what we see as a perianth is a calyx, and corolla is completely lost. The other idea is what we see is probably just a simple perianth, which never been corolla or calyx, it just enclosed this ovary and will produce that strange dry fleshy fruits at the end. With molecular tools, we now can establish these relationships much better. So this family is very close to strange small genus of Somalian plant, like northeast of Africa and Arabian Peninsula, Yemen, Barbeia. So Barbeia is a wind-pollinated plant. These guys are insect-pollinated, of course, with simple perianths. So this is a flower of Elaeagnus, Russian olive. I don't like this name much, but Elaeagnus to me is better, and it is flower in this valley southwest of Kyoto on October 14. Thank you.